first car out of the Get E-Hills out of Bakersfield, California. This is Broedy Graham in the B&B Oil Field Consulting number 66 machine. Let's see what he can throw down here for time trials. Single car qualifying for Western States Midget, brought to you by Avanti Windows Indoors. Green flag in the air. Broedy sends it off deep into turns 1 and 2, right down the bottom side. Wheel stand off at 2 down the back straightaway here in turns 3 and 4. And a turn number 3 off at turn number 4 here on lap number 1. Broedy Graham set the bar. 14.304. 14.304. Lap number 1 for Broedy Graham. Graham working off a turn number 2 down the back straightaway once again. A little bit different angle. Going to diamond off the bottom. It's going to be a fast lap here on lap number 2. 14.053. 14.053. Lap number 2 for Broedy Graham.